Hello, people. My little bee shoes. Ooh. I'm going downstairs. Oh, my Hello Kitty shorts. Oh, gross, so I'm not gonna show my face. But anyways, I'm gonna be cooking. Ooh, let's check it out. I'm gonna make this sesame chicken, orange chicken for Fridays. Yeah. Well, I just read that this thing is really easy to make. Or you just gotta make it in the bag. And I don't know. But anyways, I don't know. I think you can make it on the skillet thingy, but I feel like I will do something terribly wrong if I do that. So I'm just gonna stick it in there, I guess, in the microwave for 5 minutes. So let's do this. Now we wait. Well, since I have 3 minutes, oh yeah, I put my drink. Oh, it got frozen. Did not mean for it to be kept in there that long, but this drink is so good. I haven't tasted this one, but I tasted the happy one, and it made me all like, whoo, all happy. Ooh, stupid camera strap. Check this out. Yeah, it's done. Ooh. I'm probably gonna burn myself. I don't want to pick it up because it's hot. Obviously, it says caution. Anyways, I think I should just leave it here for a while because I do not want to burn myself, and it's really blurry. But yes, let's see. Okay, gonna take it out of the bag. Smells good. Damn it. That's why I got scissors. Ooh, look at that. Check that out. Here we go. Oh. Ooh, comes with rice. Oh, that was blazing hot. Check that out. Yeah. There's some broccoli right there. Whoa, it's fogging up my lens. I'll hold it at this end. But check it out. Yeah. Some chicken, some freaking green beans, freaking carrots. Should be good. Let's see. Freaking it's hot. Okay, well, I'm gonna go now because I just burned myself. So, peace.